Dogs can predict earthquakes days before they happen, thanks to their extraordinary senses. While scientists are still trying to figure out exactly how, many researchers believe that dogs detect seismic activity through their acute sense of hearing and smell. Dogs can hear frequencies as low as 16 Hz, which might allow them to pick up on the tiniest ground vibrations that humans can't perceive. Additionally, their keen sense of smell could detect the release of gases from underground shifts, alerting them to impending earthquakes. This incredible ability isn't just a parlor trick, it's been observed in countless anecdotes where dogs have behaved anxiously, barked, or tried to escape before an earthquake strikes. Imagine being able to sense something that no human technology can currently predict with such precision. Next time your dog acts strangely, it might just be their way of telling you to brace yourself for a shake.